Get ready to revolutionize your kitchen in 2026. Today, we're unveiling 20 brilliant kitchen gadgets that are worth every dollar, from futuristic tools that save time to clever gadgets that make cooking effortless. Whether you're a foodie, a busy parent, or just love smart kitchen hacks, these innovative must-haves will upgrade your cooking game like never before. Stay tuned, because some of these will blow your mind. Number 1. The Chefman 10L Air Fryer Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that lets you air fry, bake, roast, and toast all in one. Its large 10-liter capacity is perfect for families or batch cooking, and the digital controls make it easy to set temperature and time precisely. It cooks food evenly with less oil, giving you crispy, delicious results every time. From fries to chicken, this air fryer oven makes healthy cooking simple, efficient, and satisfying, making it a must-have for any modern kitchen. Number 2. The Amazon Basics 12-cup coffee maker is a reliable and easy way to brew fresh coffee at home. Its simple controls and 12-cup capacity make it perfect for families, offices, or entertaining guests. The removable filter basket and easy-to-clean design save time, and it delivers consistent, flavorful coffee with minimal effort. If you want a dependable, no-fuss coffee maker that won't take up too much counter space, this Amazon Basics model is an excellent budget-friendly choice. Number 3. The Vitamix Immersion Hand Blender is a powerful tool for blending, pureeing, and mixing right in the pot, bowl, or cup. Its strong motor easily handles soups, sauces, smoothies, and more, and the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use. The detachable blending arm is easy to clean, and the controls give you precise speed for every recipe. If you want a compact, versatile blender that saves time in dishes, this hand blender is perfect for any kitchen. Number 4. The Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale is a simple but essential tool for accurate cooking and baking. It measures ingredients precisely in grams or ounces, which is perfect for recipes, meal prep, or portion control. The tare function lets you reset the weight for containers, and the slim design makes it easy to store. If you want better consistency in your cooking or healthier portion tracking, this digital scale is an inexpensive and highly practical kitchen gadget. Number 5. The Ippo Vipo Stainless Vegetable Chopper makes chopping, dicing, and slicing vegetables fast and easy. Its sharp stainless steel blades handle onions, tomatoes, peppers, and more with minimal effort. The safety lid keeps fingers protected, and the container catches all your chopped ingredients to reduce mess. It's simple to clean and durable enough for daily use. If you want to speed up meal prep while keeping your kitchen neat and safe, this chopper is a smart and efficient choice. Number 6. The KitchenAid 3.5 Cup Food Chopper is compact yet powerful for quick chopping, mincing, and dicing. Its one-touch operation makes it simple to use, and it handles vegetables, nuts, and herbs evenly. The BPA-free bowl and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Perfect for small kitchens or fast prep work, it saves time while keeping your ingredients consistent. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use chopper for everyday cooking, this KitchenAid model delivers excellent performance in a small package. Number 7. The Oracom Manual Food Chopper is a hands-on gadget that turns tedious chopping into a quick, effortless task. Pull the cord or press the handle to dice vegetables, herbs, and fruits evenly in seconds. It's quiet, doesn't require electricity, and is easy to clean and store. Its compact design fits anywhere in the kitchen, making it great for small spaces. If you want a practical, energy-free solution for fast meal prep, this manual chopper is an excellent choice. Number 8. The Instant Pot Rio Mini 4-quart is a small but versatile multi-cooker, ideal for singles or small families. It functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, and more, all in one compact unit. The programmable settings save time while ensuring meals are cooked perfectly. It's perfect for soups, stews, or weeknight dinners without taking up much counter space. If you want convenience and versatility in a small appliance, this mini Instant Pot is a smart kitchen addition. Number 9. The Amazon Basics Glass Electric Kettle is a fast, safe, and stylish way to boil water for tea, coffee, noodles, or other hot drinks. The clear glass lets you see the water boil, and the automatic shutoff ensures safety. It heats quickly, is easy to clean, and fits comfortably on your countertop. If you want a dependable kettle that's simple, practical, and budget-friendly, this Amazon Basics model is an excellent addition to any kitchen. Number 10. The Alpha Griller's Digital Meat Thermometer ensures your meat is cooked perfectly every time. The Instant Red Probe gives fast, accurate temperature readings for steak, chicken, pork, and more. Its digital display is bright and easy to read, while the compact design makes it easy to store. Ideal for grilling, baking, or everyday cooking, it removes all the guesswork and prevents overcooking. If you want perfectly cooked meals every time, this digital meat thermometer is an essential tool. Number 11. The Ethan Cast Iron Skillet Set is a kitchen essential for anyone who loves cooking with even heat and durability. These skillets retain heat beautifully, making them perfect for searing, frying, or baking. They develop a natural non-stick surface over time and can go from stovetop to oven with ease. The sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance, and they're ideal for everything from eggs to steaks. If you want cookware that combines versatility, quality, and timeless design, this cast iron skillet set is a must-have. Number 12. The Hex-Clad 5Q Hybrid Dutch Oven blends the best of stainless steel and non-stick technology in one high-quality pot. It's perfect for slow cooking, roasting, sautéing, and simmering soups or stews. The triply construction ensures even heat distribution, and the non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. Its sleek design also looks premium on your stovetop. If you want a versatile, durable, and easy-to-clean Dutch oven that performs like a pro-level tool, this Hex-Clad model is an excellent kitchen upgrade. Number 13. The Circle Joy Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder takes seasoning to the next level with fast, consistent grinding. Its battery-powered operation makes it effortless to use, while the adjustable settings let you control coarseness precisely. The sleek design is stylish on any countertop or table. It's perfect for everyday cooking or for adding the final touch to meals before serving. If you want a convenient, modern, and precise way to season your food, this electric grinder is a smart choice. Number 14. The Idiotic Reusable Silicone Food Bags are an eco-friendly alternative to disposable plastic bags. They're perfect for storing leftovers, marinating meats, freezing fruits, or packing lunches. The durable silicone is leak-proof, safe for the freezer, microwave, and dishwasher, and helps reduce waste. They're flexible, easy to seal, and can save you money over time. If you want to make your kitchen more sustainable while keeping food fresh and organized, these reusable silicone bags are a practical and eco-conscious solution. Number 15. The Awoon Clip-On Silicone Strainer is a small but versatile tool that makes straining pasta, vegetables, or washing fruits quick and easy. The silicone design clips securely onto pots, pans, or bowls, and the flexible material fits different sizes while preventing spills. It's heat-resistant, easy to clean, and saves space compared to traditional colanders. If you want a convenient, practical, and compact strainer that works wherever you cook, this clip-on silicone strainer is an excellent addition to your kitchen gadgets. Number 16. The Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoons are perfect for precise and hassle-free cooking or baking. The magnetic design keeps all spoons together for easy storage, and each spoon provides accurate measurements for ingredients. The stainless steel construction is durable and easy to clean, while the compact design saves drawer space. If you want a smart, organized way to measure spices, baking powder, or liquid ingredients, this set of magnetic measuring spoons is a convenient and long-lasting kitchen tool. Number 17. The Zosset Titanium Cutting Board combines durability, hygiene, and style in one kitchen essential. Titanium's surface is resistant to cuts, scratches, and odors, making it perfect for chopping vegetables, fruits, and meats. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and built to last, while looking sleek on any countertop. If you want a cutting board that won't warp, stain, or absorb bacteria like traditional wood or plastic boards, this titanium option is a high-quality, long-term solution for safe and efficient meal prep. Number 18. The Crock-Pot Heated Lunchbox is ideal for taking warm meals anywhere without relying on a microwave. Simply plug it in, and your lunch heats evenly, keeping meals tasty and satisfying. The leak-proof portable design makes it perfect for work, school, or travel. It's easy to use and clean, and great for leftovers, pasta, or rice dishes. If you want a convenient, compact way to enjoy hot, homemade meals on the go, this Crock-Pot Lunchbox is a game changer. Number 19. The Nahida 1200W Smoothie Blender is a powerful machine for smoothies, shakes, sauces, and more. Its strong motor easily blends ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients into smooth, creamy results. The ergonomic design makes it easy to use, and the containers are durable and dishwasher safe. Perfect for quick breakfast, post-workout shakes, or family recipes, it handles everything with minimal effort. If you want a high-performance blender that's versatile, fast, and easy to clean, this Nahida model is a reliable choice for any kitchen. Number 20. The Vitamix E3 Sanexporium Blender is a professional quality blender built to handle everything from smoothies to soups and nut butters. Its powerful motor and sharp blades ensure smooth, consistent results every time. The compact design fits most kitchens without taking too much counter space. All the simple controls make it easy to use. Cleanup is quick and straightforward. If you want a blender that combines durability, high performance, and versatility, the Vitamix E3 Sanexporium is an excellent investment for serious home cooks. Those were the 20 brilliant kitchen gadgets that are worth every dollar in 2026. Which one will you grab first to upgrade your kitchen? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart kitchen finds.